Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Huh? Say hello. Oh. This is Clover. He's our new puppy. Yeah. Oh. So this is why we're not getting anything done. Yeah. So this is why we're not getting anything done. He's a Yorkie. Yeah. Oh. He just ate. And now he wants to go play.
That's why I got him this little tiny stuffed animal.
Clover. Clover. Are you playing with your bed? Your bed's not the toy. That's the toy. Hear him growl? Yeah, he's growling. Make it still for a minute and see if he barks at it. He's trying to bite it through the bed. Oh. He's trying to get through the bed to the bunny. He doesn't understand that he can get out of the bed just the same way he got into it.